Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video I want to talk to you about updating the navigation system maps in your car's factory installed navigation system. Now this does not include the aftermarket navigation systems like Garmin or TomTom or any of that matter. This is for the manufacturer's in-dash car's navigation system. Now there is a lot of confusion as to when one should update the mapping system to their navigation system. From my experience, I believe, and this is just my honest opinion, that you should not update the system until at least 5 years has passed. 3 is okay, but I would go as far as 5 years, because 5 years is actually the length of time it usually takes for a lot of these new road systems to have been implemented or constructed. Addresses as well, new buildings, if it's a small building and not a large skyscraper, those could take about 10 years. But if you have a in-dash navigation system and you need to know or want to know how to update the navigation system, then that's what this video is going to try to help you with. I have several vehicles that I'm going to be trying to cover. So if your vehicle is not included, just rest assured you can go to your car's manufacturer's website and look for the help section in there, or do a Google search on how to update the navigation system in your vehicle, and you should be able to be directed to the website or the links that will help you in learning how to do that. So the vehicle that I'm going to start with is the Acura navigation system. Now Acura has a store where you can actually come here and you can actually download the information update for your navigation system, and all you need to do is just put in your model year, say it's 2016, MDX, just select the year, let's say 2016. And now you would have to order this, of course, and some of these have it to where you do have to order them, and some have it to where you can actually just download it from the internet. It depends on the manufacturer's choice of how to distribute the updates to the navigation system. And for this 2016, they were still using the DVD version, and you can see the price is $149, the shipping is $395, and a database version is what you would need to have in order to download the correct version of the navigation system, because there are so many of them, and they give you warnings as to what to do before you purchase it, because if you purchase the wrong system for your car, some places may not refund you. You would have to either send that unit back, or you would have to repurchase another DVD, and that can get expensive. So before you order, make sure you check all the credentials of your vehicle and the system that you have before you purchase it. You have notes over here that are telling you what if your database is ST009.08.00, you already have the latest map available, and the release is not expected until early 2023. So just be mindful of what you're looking at and make sure you read everything that is on this page before you order it, because no one wants to spend extra money on something when they could have just spent the money on the one item instead of multiple items. This is GM. GM also has it. This is just for a 2014 Chevrolet Impala I just put in the system, and they have the update version .2022. Make sure you try to find the latest version. You don't want to get something that's going to put you back instead of putting you forward. Sometimes it may not work. It may tell you there's an error with the system, the update system that you're trying to put into the navigation system is older than what's there, and they won't let you do it. But you want to go forward, you don't want to go back. Also check the compatibility of the vehicle that you have Make sure that your vehicle, if it's anywhere in here, it is included. You can actually download the installation guide if you have a PDF program on your computer. It's free. You can go to adobe.com's website and you can download a PDF program for free. There's no charge. Volkswagen here also has to where you can actually just download the program for your car. All you do is select your model year, or your model rather, and the year rather, and from there they can ask you to select your type of navigation system. And when you do that, you can they ask you to select the region to update your navigation system. So you select that, and you can, as you can see, they have it to where you just download it. Some even have it to where you can actually download it right from your car's navigation system, so you don't have to go through the process of downloading to your computer. Most of the time you have to put it on a flash drive, transfer it to the flash drive, and then put it in your car's USB port and then upload it from there. And some people are not that tech savvy, so they're trying to make it easier for one to update their navigation system. Here is BMW's website where you can update the navigation system. Now they also have it to where you can do an online download, select your model. Now BMW, which is no brainer for a lot of people who know BMWs, they do charge, so there's no way around that. Just select your model, vehicle, and you can select the options as to what your map type is. And BMW tonight, they have a lot more going on with their navigation systems. Make sure you read all the pertinent information so you don't get confused or download the wrong information. Make sure you put in your car's VIN number also. That's very important. If you put in the wrong VIN number, you'll get the wrong system, and your car's navigation system will not work. It'll say there's an error when you try to upload it. So be certain, double check to make sure that you use the correct VIN number of your vehicle. The easiest way I found is to take a picture. If you open up the driver's door, there should be a placard with the VIN number, the model year attached on the inside, whether it's the inside of the door right here or the inside of the frame right here. You should see that. Take a picture of it with your phone's camera, because writing it down, sometimes one could be confused with an I or an L or something like that. So just take a picture of it, and that way you can zoom in to see the numbers and letters more clearly than you could versus writing them down. You can also do this for Volvo. This is Volvo. You can also do an update with them, and this is one that you can download from their internet. You have to download it to the computer and then put on a USB flash drive and put it into your car's USB port. And they give you instructions on how to download it. They give you requirements on what to do with the understanding of the type of USB flash drive that you can have, the file system capacity. This seems a little confusing for those who are not tech savvy. If you are not tech savvy, ask someone for help, someone who may be able to help you do this, because you don't want to be trying to go somewhere and the navigation system is pointing you in a totally different direction and you're going opposite of where you should be going because you have an outdated mapping system. So if you need help, please ask someone to help you with that. There is nothing wrong. Sometimes they have people who can help you down here. If you click on the little icon down here, you can click on that, and there's a chat feature that's available on most of these websites where the people can help you or answer any questions that you may have. So don't be afraid to use that. Now, there are other places you can go to get the download, to get the updated mapping system. You could try Amazon and eBay. Amazon does have navigation maps, or updated navigation maps. Make sure you check the years of the vehicle that you're looking for, because sometimes they can have something that's outdated or something that's old. You want to get something as close to the year as possible. Most of the time, these updates don't come out until late winter, fall, I believe, like September and May, somewhere in that area. But it depends on the manufacturer's release, and sometimes they don't release them exactly on those months. So just be mindful of checking the year that these updated systems come out in. They do have them on eBay here. Make sure you check, if you want to shop on eBay, make sure you check the year of the update. Sometimes they will have older versions on here, so you want to be mindful. Try to get as close to the year as possible. Like this is year 2022, this is 2021, so this is probably the latest version of the Toyota navigation system for whatever vehicle that they have it for. Just be mindful whenever you do search for a navigation system update. Make sure you know the VIN number of your vehicle. Take a picture of your VIN number, and if you have to call the company to find out how to acquire the update for your navigation system, go ahead and call them and ask them all the impertinent questions that you need to ask them. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.